Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we visited Mission Bay Beach in Auckland and it's a rainy day. Even though the weather is not ideal, it's so calming here. The beach is quiet and it is so peaceful. We walked along the shore and found a spot to sit. We got coffee and paninis from Coffee Club, which was perfect for the rainy day. We also had some seagull around hopping and pecking at the sand. It was nice to just relax and enjoy the moment. It's a reminder that you don't need sunny weather or big plans to make memories. If you are ever in Auckland on a rainy day, Mission Bay is still a great place to visit. I hope you enjoyed this rainy day adventure. If you liked the video, hit thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.